Hi everyone, here we've got a GIGASET GS190 and let me share with you how to show or hide the caller ID on this device. So first of all, let's enter the dialer, and here it doesn't matter if you will be on the favorites, recents or contacts. Just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we have to tap on calling accounts and choose the current the SIM you've got currently set. Right now we have to tap on additional settings. I have some card problems, but no worries. As you can see, at the very first position we've got the caller ID, and under it we've got the info that you will use default operator settings to display the number in outgoing calls. And after tapping on it, here you can decide if you want to use network default. Just like now, you can hide the number or show the number, so it's up to you how you want to set it. So let me pick, for example, to hide a number. And as you can see here, we've got immediately the info that the number will be hidden in outgoing calls, and after choosing show number, the number will be displayed in outgoing calls. So actually that's all. This is how to show or hide the caller ID in your GIGASET GS190. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.